Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. As of now, the ICAR results of PG have been obtained. As a lot of people are facing problem related to the choice filling, now we are releasing a video related to that. So the first process which you are going to do in this process is, in the process of choice filling, is that first you have to open your Chrome, and after that, in that you have to go for icar.net 2020 website, and here you will be obtaining the page like this. So here you can click the icar counseling, and after that here the icar, that is the ICAR page, will be open related to the agricultural counseling. So here you will be having the applicant login and the important dates related for the online counseling. Here the various dates are given related to the online counseling, and this counseling portal has been active from yesterday, and there are 3 rounds in the counseling process. And so first when you are going to start this process, first you have to log in into the page, and after that you have to make a payment to undergo the further counseling process. So first here I am going to open the applicant login. And friends, here you have to remember that the time for this first counseling is valid up to 11th of this month. So here after you click this, here you have to go for, here you have to log in into your ID, and as you have already received a mail to your phone number, type your application number. Now friends, after you get this page, here we will be getting choices not available as per your qualifying degree. Then the next step which you are going to do is edit or update qualification details. You have to click this and you have to update your qualification. Now friends, soon after you click that page, you will be having this qualifying exam detail page, and here you will be having your exam board and your inter marks and your GP in this. And here when you go to the bottom of this page, here 4 boxes will be unfilled, and the next procedure will be you have to select this box, and then you have to type, and here friends you have to type your university name. For example, here I am going to type Professor Jayashankar, Telangana State Agriculture University. Friends, after you have entered your college name, and later that here you have to select the mark system, and here the options are given as percentage and CGPA. As our college belongs to the CGPA system, so I am clicking here CGPA. Friends, after you applied the CGPA, click on the next box, and each college will be having a separate ID number. There you have to click your ID number as it is in your memo, and in the next box you have to upload your year of passing of your degree, and you can type it as 2020. And going to the next box, as I uploaded CGPA, so here I am putting it as 10 points, the maximum GPA that can be obtained. So 10 is the maximum GPA, I have uploaded that. And in the next box, I am going to add the GPA which I have obtained. Okay friends, now here I have uploaded my obtained OGPA. Then here it is given that the candidates passed out from private agriculture universities not accredited by ICAR, even though affiliated to the public funded government institutions, were notified through information bulletins as not eligible to appear in AIEEE PG examination. Therefore, if any such candidates have appeared in the examination and their scores declared by NTA are not eligible, ICAR will not be held responsible for denying admission to such candidates by any of the accredited agriculture university under the ICAR. So here it is clearly given that only the ICAR accredited students, that means the college who have studied in the ICAR accredited colleges, are only eligible for applying for the counseling. So friends, here there is a declaration form, and for all these you have to click it as OK. Finally, it is given that further I undertake that I shall provide only correct and authenticated information. If any information given me is found incorrect at any point of time, my admission candidature will automatically stand cancelled without any further reference, and I will also be liable for all legal consequences for submitting false information. So friends, please be clear that you apply all your proper documents and proper information. And after this, you have to go for update qualification. And here they are also giving a reminder to check your CGPA. So once I am going to check it again. Yes friends, then after that you have to click OK. And here it is also given to check the marks. And after this also, here we have to click it on OK. And next you have to go for update qualification. Now friends, after you update your qualification and your degree marks, then you will be getting this related to your 10th or equivalent 12th exam marks. Then you will be getting about the 10th marks and your inter marks and your percentage and your graduation marks and your percentage. So friends, please be clear when you check on friends, please be clear while checking your result here. Check your 10th, inter and your graduation marks properly. And then here it is given that the candidates passed out from private agriculture colleges. Here also it is clearly given that the students who have passed their the students who have completed their graduation from other colleges which are not accredited under ICAR are not eligible for this counseling. And after that, here also there is another declaration form where you are going to click OK for all of these. Friends, please be clear before clicking all this and please read all the instructions properly. And here also friends, it is given that I am aware that I have to pay the requisite non-refundable counseling registration fee of ₹500 and lock the choices for complete registration. And friends, this is not refundable. So please be clear that you have to pay an amount of 500 to attend the counseling and registration process. And it is also clearly mentioned that I am aware that I will not be able to modify the choice list once it is locked. So before locking your choice list, please be clear and make your choices properly. And here the next one, I am aware that after allotment of seat and verification of my documents by the university, I shall be required to pay non-refundable seat acceptance fee of 10,000, part of my admission fee, irrespective of the category, on the ICAR's counseling portal. So after you get the seat, you have to pay a sum amount of 10,000 when you are accepting the seat. And next friends, you're going to, if you have any changes in the above mentioned board of marks and all, that is your 10th, 12th and the graduation degree marks, here you also have the options of edit qualifying marks and lock qualifying exam and continue. As I don't have any changes in my pattern, so now I'm going to log the qualifying examination. So now I'm going to log the qualifying exam. After you finish your updating your qualifying exam, again you will be entering into this portal or this page where again you have to go for the applicant login. After entering your application number and password, now enter the security code. Friends, after you lock your qualifying exam details, then the page will be opening in this way where you can update your details for your master degree program. Your major subject will be appearing friends. So please be clear, as I have applied for plant sciences, it is here mentioned as plant sciences. And here you have to apply for duration of degree program. As ours is BSc Horns Agriculture, so I am clicking it as 10 plus 2 plus 4. Next, here is an option regarding select graduation degree. Here I am going to select my degree. Ours is BSc Horns Agriculture. I am going to click on this. And later here is another declaration form. So click OK on that and then go for submit form. Okay. And after that, after you click OK on that, here you will be getting the print rank card and pay counseling fee online. Now before attending the counseling, you have to pay the online fee, which is 500, and it is totally non-refundable. So I am clicking on pay counseling fee online. Here you can also note that there are also options available for internet banking and BHIM and also UPI is also available. Entering the OTP, then click on make payment. When as transaction status success, again you will be getting a page related to applicant login. Click on applicant login. Again, click your application number and password. After you log in into your application, then again you will be getting a screen related to print rank card and fill up or modify choices. Then click on fill up and modify choices. And here friends, here it is clearly mentioned that kindly go through the seat matrix before filling choices as per your eligibility in various courses and universities. Here there are 3 lines where you can get the seat matrix and fee detail options. And here there is preference of course, university for seat allotment, and edit qualification degree details. Now here it is course, university name, edit or update, delete, shift and select options are given. Now first I am going to click on course name. Plant sciences. First I am going to click on plant breeding and genetics. And later I am going to select the university. So now based on your choices, and now I am going to select ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. Click on that. Next, here you have to go for update option. Now after you go for the update option, here you will be getting it as add new choice, remove all choices, interchange choices, and here you will be getting a select button. So here when you are going to add new choices, click on add new choice button, and after that you have to click select here on the top box, and next you can go for applying the another colleges based on your preference. And after all these you have to save your choices. And for going up and down, that means you when you are going into the previous college or the next college which you are going to apply, then you can use the buttons up, down, and if you want to delete the choice, then go for the delete option. And after applying all these colleges according to your preference, you have to go for save choices. So you have to click on save choices and you have to save the preference of choices which you have made above. Thank you friends. As so many people are facing problem in the choice filling and the registration and counseling process, so we have made this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.